Hi friends, Suzanne here. Welcome to another Monday Makes video on my YouTube channel and blog. For today's project, I am featuring the stamp set called Sparkling Snowflakes. And I'm just using the stamp set. So I have the Pretty Peacock, which is like literally one of my favorite greens. And I am stamping the sentiment Let It Snow because I'm almost done with holiday cards. This piece of basic white is 2 3/4 by 3.5. I am inking up my Night of Navy, stamping off, and then stamping on the little project. Making 2 cards here in case you didn't know. I move in with the Pretty Peacock for the second medium snowflake, and the tiniest snowflake I am going to use boho blue. It's such a pretty color, and both Night of Navy and Pretty Peacock were stamped off. This boho blue is such a nice light color, I didn't have to do that. So I'm going to attach these 2 1/4 by 3.5 papers to this holographic paper that it was kind of weird actually, but I really like it. It's a little different than silver. It's got some interest and some zhuzh and a little bit of rainbow. You know, you gotta be a bit of rainbow somewhere. I love it. And I'm also utilizing my embellishments. Hang on, I forgot to write it down, so I need to grab them. Oh yes, there are adhesive back snowflake assortment that you can get on, it's an online exclusive. So this paper is called Winter Meadow. It is not retiring as far as I know. I think it is also being sold in an online exclusive capacity, so that's why I'm sort of featuring it today. You can use the backside, which I'm doing here, and it's just got that, you know, that technique where you have sort of an ink wash and then you throw salt crystals on it and the salt sort of drives stuff up. That's the technique here, which on that pattern paper, so it saves you the time of getting a little bit messy in the kitchen. And those pieces were 4 by 5 1/4, and that is a basic white thick cardstock that I am using. So, and I'm just sort of varying the placement of that holographic card and snowflake just so that I can see more of that designer series paper. And now here comes the adhesive back snowflake assortment. If you guys need any help with finding where online exclusives is, please give me a shout. I'm happy to help you out in the online store. Anyway, you can see all the supplies I used today listed below in the video See More section or in the supplies section of my blog. And those fast links will take you to my Canadian online store where I would love the chance to meet you and earn your business. Thanks so much for joining me today. Please subscribe. It's free to subscribe. I would love to have you on board the channel. I'm not going to be posting every day starting January. It's back to normal 3 days a week. Okay, I'll talk to you soon. Bye for now.